Hello and welcome to our LUMI's factory. I'm Chris. Today we are going to give you behind the scenes and take a look at how we develop and manufacture our sit-stand desks. Okay, let's go. We use automated and semi-automated machines during the entire production process. Just like this laser cutting machine, simply enter the information into the computer, and the laser cutter will produce pipes of required sizes with amazing precision and speed. When finished, our quality control engineers will inspect and examine the pipes to ensure they are all within specification. Please look at this material. It's going to be stamped on the stamping line behind me. Let's go check it out. Our stamping machines are the most updated, and all of our workers are skilled. We will control the quality of each part during the entire process. Again, our engineers will check the appearance of the parts to make sure that they all meet our standards. We are now in the welding area. These robotic arms are greatly liberating the hands of workers, improving the production efficiency and safety. Likewise, our quality control engineers will inspect the parts before sending them to the next process. Just over here, we have our coating line. So many processes will be done in this large area, including degreasing, cleaning, surface treatment, coating, thermal curing. After these processes, the parts will be sent here to check the coating thickness and appearance before assembly. When all the components are ready, they will be sent here for assembly. Our workers are well trained and work according to strict standard to remove any possible mistakes. Here is one of our test labs. It's quiet and constant temperature because we are monitoring the sound, speed, stability of legs to ensure the best performance. Also, the electronic parts are subject to strict inspection. Look, she is examining the data on the machine very carefully. Now all the parts are ready for the packaging. Are you ready to take a look with me? At the end of the packing line, we will inspect and weigh each box to make sure no parts are missing. The entire production process has strict quality control and skilled workers to help to provide our customers with the highest quality products. Besides, we will do our very best to support our customers to stay ahead of the market. If you are not one of our customers currently, why not give a chance to us and to yourselves?